Good morning. We are at our favorite campsite, Crackle Barrel. I have finished my van build and we have 60 days to accomplish our van trip. I'm not alone, if you can hear in the background. I've got a kid going blah, 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 blah. In each state, I'm going to try to do something fun. The goal is to get me to Utah, get me to Colorado, and get me to higher elevation because this summer, this heat advisory is killing me. I expedited Florida, did all my favorite things. Didn't need to show that on camera. Got a little redundant and boring, but we were in Georgia and I'm here to do my favorite thing. Wild adventures! No? That was not very nice. Wild adventures. I love theme parks. It's gonna be a hot day. Get used to me sweating, but I'm here to have fun. First up, the Outpost Express. You ready? The drop's about to happen, dog. Liked it so much, we're gonna go again.
Yeah, we're gonna go again.
Thought I left Florida. There's gators, alligators. You wanna go swimming with them? Get just big water dogs. They're big puppy dogs. Ooh, look at him. He's active. That's my vibe. We don't have the Wheel of Doom, but we do have Gator Bridge. You want to go on Gator Bridge? Hey, buddy, did you know that alligators have 360 vision and they actually shed tears? Yeah. Oh, heck no. Heck no, we won't go. I thought this was going to be a real bridge. This is like rope climbing. I'm not going over that. I had to go on it to say I went on it. I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle. I'm here. I'm coming back. You gonna try it? No? No? Captive gators scare me a little bit more than wild gators, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's also mating season in Florida, so I would be careful. Oh, they have 80 teeth. Gator or dragon? You vote. I don't know if I'm too old for this, but the spinning is getting me. I think I might yak. I didn't think I was going to be at with goats today.
You're hot, Lisa?
You're my favorite. Get up top. There you go, Mr. Tractor. Oh, hello.
I don't know.
I went on a turtle twisting ride and I almost died, so I'm hiding out in the bathroom to like recoup for a second because I almost yacked. Found some friends to take care of me. But this is the reason we're here. You see what this says? Water's Edge. Tell you what, I ain't never been on a Ferris wheel.
Yeah, go on it.
You've been on a Ferris wheel? It was going faster than I thought it was. But I just needed a break and something to cool down. This is going pretty fast. And I need like anti-nausea medication.
Hey, I see a boat.
Don't puke on the Ferris wheel. One of the reasons that this park is one of my favorite places is because Zombieland, one of my favorite zombie movies, was actually filmed here, which is insanely awesome and cool and amazing and oh my god. Hydration station. You excited? Over there's the wave pool and this is the splash area. Which one you want to do first? I ended up dropping my burger on the floor. That was really embarrassing. But we splashed pad for like 3 hours and we have to go to our next location.
What's that sound?
Leaving Splash Island.
Huh?
Leaving Splash Island. Have I told you where we're going next?
No.
And why we're leaving this park so quickly?
No.
Do you know what a yurt is? We're gonna go stay in a yurt.
What's a yurt?
A yurt is a tent with air conditioning. Go to High Falls Park camping ground. Both of us in a yurt. After last night, we need it. So after yesterday, sweating until 3 o'clock in the morning, like unbearably, I have chosen to take you to a yurt. that has air conditioning. I've never stayed in a yurt, but this should be exciting. It's a tent that is a circle that's got multiple beds,
Oh,
and there's a waterfall nearby.
just like the Animal Crossings.
That's kind of like a yurt.
White.
You've been eating all the bites. The burger was good. The french fries were good. The water was refreshing. The roller coasters were nauseating. Our bellies are full and we're ready to go. One little thing, I just found some hibachi in Macon, Georgia. Kura, poke, and hibachi. It feels like a heavy meal. I paid $17 for it. Camping hack. Get a rotisserie chicken so you don't have to cook chicken at camp. And just shred it up, add it to whatever you want. Rice, quesadillas, I don't know, whatever. Noodle, 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 yeah. Noodle, 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 yeah, yeah. Noodle, 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 yeah. Noodle, 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 yeah. All right, sir, your dinner is served. I worked hard for this meal, so please take a seat and enjoy. Also, magnets, chip clips. Our clothes are drying from earlier. This is one of the reasons why I don't want to put a window here. It's great. They don't magnetize as well to this metal. They magnetize great to this metal. So part of our voyage, while we're going on our adventure, is to scratch off our states. It's time to scratch off our state, okay? So we are from Florida. We spent the last week off camera exploring and doing some real camping and some real adventures. And now Florida is crossed off. Where did we land just now?
Florida.
We're in Georgia! Would you like to do the honors?
Time to scratch the state.
Next time you see the map, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, Arkansas, South Carolina, and North Carolina will all be scratched off because I've done all of those states already in different videos. But this will be the longest time I've been on the road. Oh, it feels so good in here.
No way. Have a fan?
Yeah, I'm in a yurt. Welcome to my kitchen table. We have not one stool, but 3 that nicely curve your bottom. And they even have handles to lift with ease. To the right of the kitchen table, the most important reason why we booked this. Nice, cold air conditioning. Nice and cold. You know what I mean? Just through the entrance to the right of the air conditioner, we have a full-size bed. No linens. This was $100 a night. That's okay. We have our linens. We are not traveling by luggage. We are traveling by van. Just beside the front door, we have our closet with amplitude of linens that we brought and a catch-all duffel bag. Do I know what's in there? Not at all. I know some clothes, some toiletries. We'll figure it out. I also went out of my way to bring the toilet from the van into the yurt because I have a little, and I'm not walking about 100 yards in the middle of the night with a little every time he has to pee. Also, this is why I went with this toilet. Do you see the convenience now? Yeah, there's even bunk beds in here.
Hello.
Underneath here it says, O.E. and Lucy, 7/22/24, happy anniversary. Ugh. How's the view from up there? Do I look tiny from up there? They even have a fan. And a little storage section. A mirror to see how sweaty you are. And a welcome pamphlet. Past the table is our patio. Why is the Adirondack chair so low? My view is blocked. See? Blocked view. Trying to get videos out, obviously challenging. There's no Wi-Fi here, but I wanted to give you some ending day thoughts. Thought 1, Wild Adventures is starting to get run down. The best part was the lazy river. A 6 out of 10. It needs some upkeeping. Number 2. Oh yeah, the yurt. I haven't slept in it yet. The doors don't lock. Love that for me. But so far, having AC, 10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10. I was on the struggle bus last night. 14 out of 10. How about that? I'm gonna try to edit, but also I'm gonna suck in this AC and I'm gonna like cuddle in the bed and I'm gonna have a good time. Bathrooms are a little dirty and the amenities are lacking, but the AC, unique experience, the view. Isn't it so beautiful and cool outside?
I like to eat that on there.
She's on the patio. Yeah, don't throw it at my van. Good morning. This is our day 2 of trying to accomplish going to another state so we can scratch off a state off our map. We are in the land of waterfalls. We are going to see a waterfall and then we're going to sleep near another waterfall. We are in the land of waterfalls, waterfalls, waterfalls. So we are heading up to the next state, Tennessee. Are you up for a hike today?
Sure, I could take a hike.
You could take a hike. Hike, waterfalls, waterfalls, hike. Hike, waterfalls, waterfalls, hike. Cheers. It's been a beautiful time. I feel replenished, but it's time to say goodbye, unfortunately. I always get a little sad in these moments. On to the next place. Bye, AC. The best part. This is why it's called High Falls. High Falls is a 100-foot waterfall. Hey bud, did you know that waterfall is 100 feet? Do you know that there's waterfalls even bigger than that? I think this is the biggest waterfall we've ever seen together. I want to walk on that path that goes to that bridge. Are you hot? Is this heat wave getting to you?